Good morning and welcome to the 2021 FEH Welding Award Ceremony. My name is Sean McMahon and I'm lucky enough to be the principal for our CTE programs at FEH BOCES. I'd like to begin by saying how proud we are of all of our graduates today. The last 2 years have been among the most challenging education has ever seen. You've navigated in-person, remote instruction, you've utilized new educational platforms and found creative ways to collaborate and communicate. By being here today, you've demonstrated a level of flexibility and resiliency that will serve you well in all of your future endeavors. So without further ado, at this time, I'm going to turn the ceremony over to Mr. Joseph Harning. We're going to hand out some certificates today.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, most skilled in the trade, 2-year completion award certificate from Welding Central, Gage Crown. Two-year completion award certificate from Salmon River Central, Rodney Cyrus Jr., not able to attend. Most improved student, 2-year completion award certificate from Salmon River Central, Alexander Duval. The Leadership Award, 2-year completion certificate from Salmon River Central, Taylor French. Taylor is also a member of the National Technical Honor Society. To obtain that title, that student has to carry a 95 average for 2 years and have less than 10 absences. Outstanding job. 2-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Cooper Gavin.
If he wants.
2-year completion award certificate from Malone Central, Isaiah Hernandez. Not able to attend. The Attitude Award and a 2-year award certificate from Salmon River Central, Eric Mitchell.
Yeah!